What if humans had animal superpowers? Lizard tails, night vision, regeneration, and a little genetic chaos. So, what if humans had animal superpowers? No, not lame ones like being tall like a giraffe. I'm talking lizard-level tail regrowth, eagle night vision, octopus camouflage, or even axolotl-style limb regeneration. Yup, limbs. Let's say science cracks it. We start tweaking human DNA. One gene here, one animal quirk there, superpower salad. At first, we go wild. Lost your finger? Regrow it in a week. Soldiers with self-healing wounds, drivers with night vision, workers who can smell gas leaks before sensors do. The military? Oh, they love this. They order invisible soldiers with octopus camouflage and super sniffers to detect danger miles away. Meanwhile, billionaires are getting custom mods. Tail for balance? Done. Bat sonar to sense the vibe in a room? Weird flex, but okay. Some even add mantis shrimp punch power, enough to break glass with one hit. But wait, did anyone ask what could go wrong? Round 1. Mutations. Turns out, splicing animal DNA into humans isn't like editing a TikTok. It's messy, unstable. That guy who wanted gecko wall climbing. Yeah. Now he sticks to everything, can't take off his own shirt. The girl with eel electricity? She powers her apartment, accidentally. Also, she's banned from public pools. And the guy who got lizard regeneration? It works, but also, he grows a second thumb, on his foot. Round 2, society breaks. Now it's not rich versus poor, it's modified versus natural. Schools start separating enhanced kids from the rest. Dating apps get filters like, willing to date someone with scales? Airports start checking for unauthorized tentacles. Unmodified people, they protest. Stop the splicing. Some even go full natural purity cult. Meanwhile, illegal black market labs explode in popularity. Everyone wants powers, but no one wants regulation. Round 3, identity crisis. Are you still human when 30% of you is jellyfish? Your body heals, glows, sees heat signatures. But your mind? Still just trying to pay rent and remember your password. Some enhanced people feel powerful. Others feel like monsters. And let's not forget, once evolution goes DIY, where does it stop? You want X-ray vision? The guy next door wants gills. The next person wants wings. We're no longer one species. We're a buffet of biology, a walking zoo. Final round, the wild card. Nature always fights back. All it takes is one lab-grown gene to go viral. Now people are passing on weird powers and weird side effects. A baby is born with fur. A teen molts in gym class. A grandma smells color. And then someone asks,
Can we put it all back?
oops. So, what if humans had animal superpowers? We'd solve a lot and break even more. We'd fly, we'd glow, we'd regrow arms. But we'd also lose something. What it means to be human. So before you ask for eagle eyes and cheetah speed, maybe hit subscribe first. That upgrade's free.